This question is not about this story at all, okay? We just need to recognize, by getting back to basics, that we're really dealing with the most common equation that they test in the SAT, right? The equation of a line, y equals mx plus b. So they've done something to twist it up here, right? And what they've done is they've kind of switched it so that the b is first, right? The b is the y-intercept. That part is first. We know that the m is the slope is going to be attached to the variable. So it's not, we say y equals mx plus b because at least that's how I learned it. But the main point here is it's not that the slope is always first. It just has to do with what it's attached to and the structure of the equation. And so they can flip it around on us, but we always know the b stands alone, the y-intercept is by itself, and the m is attached to the variable. So what are they asking then? They're asking, what does the y-intercept of the graph represent in terms of the model? So we know that the y-intercept then is the 19.99, right? So that gets rid of b and d right away. So here's where we might need a little bit of a boost, but we should know that when we have y equals mx plus b, and there's a story, yes, the b is the y-intercept, but more often on a story, it's going to sound like a starting point. Okay, it's where it's an initial value. And m, yeah, it's the slope, but in a story question, it's going to sound more like a rate or an increase or a decrease. So that's kind of what C is doing. This is making us think that this is the slope, when in fact we know that it's a starting point, a flat fee that you would need to pay no matter what you did. I don't even know what the story's about. The truck? So here, I didn't even bother to understand the story. It doesn't matter. It's not about trucks. It's about lines. So y equals mx plus b, the most important equation on the SAT. Make sure you know it. Make sure you know what it means. And in this case, make sure that you know how to recognize it so you can get back to basics and just very quickly find this answer.